Welcome to Rustbusters Installation Guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 CK10 and K20. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Cut out the rivets retaining the factory spare tire crossmember support and remove it. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Slide the spare tire crossmember support into place using the frame holes to help with the alignment. With a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench, screw in the included hardware on each end of the crossmember. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!